Hi everyone, welcome back. We continue on this calibration module list, and today we are gonna learn about a new function which is gonna be this one, Rodrigues. Actually, this function is just a geometrical operation, maybe I can say. It's just converting rotation matrix into the rotation vector, or rotation vector into a rotation matrix. Why this is important? Because, for example, they are the same thing principally, but they are used in different kind of areas. For example, rotation matrix mostly for math and geometrical operations. If you need something sensitive calculations or sensitive accuracy, then in that case it can be better to use rotation matrix, because also you can manipulate this easily by just you can easily rotate it around by just playing the matrix items. But rotation vector is also mostly used for estimation and the optimization kind of problems. So these two have different area to be used, but in principle they are same. So this is just a operation which is converting the mathematical matrix and vectors to each other. That's all. We don't need to deal about this mathematical side. Conceptual, I'm not much focusing there. So this was the code we were always following. Here all we need to do is, lastly we learned about the solvePnP function, and for example in here we are getting the rotation vector, so we don't get the rotation matrix. So we can first of all create the math to be able to get this rotation matrix, and after that we can call this Rodrigues, which is also gonna take the input. It's gonna be our R vector, and after that we need to give the rotation math, and that's all. So let's print it out and see if we already have seen this rotation vector, how it's working, how it looks like. But let's see the matrix behavior, how it looks like. Okay, this undisturbed, maybe we can remove anymore. Okay, let's rerun. Okay, this is the result. We were using this, and in the previous video we already checked this rotation vector was giving us the for example very close to pi, which is vertical to my camera, so its position located like that, and it was giving us 180. But it's a bit flipped, not in the same direction with the camera, so some values are minus. And this is our rotation matrix. This is different, as I said, different. We can call this is the degree of the freedom of the chessboard, and basically it's giving the axis dimensions, the x dimension, y dimension, and the z dimension. Here you see the -1, which is representing the x-axis. It says as is very close to 1, is horizontally in the same axis with the camera, but just flip because of the minus, and the other values are representing correspondingly. And this is the y-axis, and it's also very close to 1, but it's also flipped. That's why it's minus. And here you see the z-axis dimension is showing us almost 1, which is your camera is the vertical to the camera. Your chessboard is vertical to your camera, which is meaning, yeah, this is not flipped. If it's already flipped, you cannot see even that the chessboard. So basically this is the vector, and it was working, yeah, as a vector, but this is just matrix representation of the same data, we can call, yeah. Basically in this video I just wanted to talk about this Rodrigues, and I'm done for this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next videos.